This is one of the best soft and moist chocolate brioche you'll see. So let's get started. For the brioche buns, add 120 grams water, 200 grams milk, 25 grams sugar and 7 grams yeast to a bowl. Stir gently and set aside for about 10 minutes. After these 10 minutes, the yeast should begin to form a creamy foam on the surface of the water, which means the yeast is active. Sift 560 grams of bread flour and 2 grams salt into the bowl of a standing mixer. Add 1 egg and the activated yeast mixture. Knead with the dough hook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Alternatively, you can knead by hand for about 8-10 minutes. Add 50 grams soft unsalted butter and knead for 1 more minute. Grease the dough with some olive oil or any oil you have, then cover and set aside in the warm place until it almost triples in size. This will take approximately 1 hour. When the dough has tripled in size, remove it from the bowl and weigh its quantity. Then divide the dough into 110-115 gram portions each. Now gently roll the individual portions to shape into round dough balls. Then cover and let it rest for about 10 minutes. After these 10 minutes, roll to shape into a sausage approximately 4-5 inch. Repeat the process and shape the rest of dough balls into sausages. Place the shaped dough approximately ½ inch apart from each other into a baking tray that has been lined with parchment paper. Then set aside in a warm place for about 1 hour to allow it to rise and double in size. In the meantime, while the dough is rising, we're going to make the chocolate cream. Add 60 gram egg yolks and 50 grams custard sugar and mix until well combined. Now add 20 gram all-purpose flour and 20 grams cocoa powder and mix all this to make a smooth paste. 250 grams of full-fat milk, add to the pot and bring to boil. When it starts to boil, add half of the hot milk to the cocoa paste and combine it well. Now all back in the pot, add some vanilla flavoring and cook for about 3 minutes on high heat. Transfer the cream to a bowl and add 25 grams dark chocolate. Then mix until it becomes smooth. I will cover the chocolate with cling film in contact to prevent any dry skin while cooling. And now I will continue to the brioche bun. For the egg wash, we need 1 medium egg, 1 pinch of salt and 20 grams milk and combine it until it comes together. Brush the brioche buns tops with egg wash and bake in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. When done, remove the trays from the oven and set aside to cool completely. To make a hole in the buns, use a large skewer and a piping bag with small nozzle to fill up the buns. But before that, make sure to mix the chocolate to reach a smooth texture. Now fill in the chocolate starting from the middle of the buns. Clean the chocolate excess with the spatula and brush with soft melted butter. This is not completely melt, and finish with powdered sugar. Amazingly delicious. If you want to see more chocolate stuffed things, I will see you in this video.